अंग्रेज़ी तकरीर के लिए अब्दुर्रहमान फ़कीरना।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम, अम्मा बाद। In the name of Allah, good morning everyone, respected chief guest, Janab Secretary Hasib Sahib, Janab Abid Babu Sahib, Mukhiya Shamim Sahib, Principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I feel great pride to present this speech. This day is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947 we got independence from the British rule. Friends, our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Ashfaqullah Khan, Hasrat Mohani, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Muhammad Ali Johar, Rani Lakshmi Bai and many others devoted their entire life independence of our country. Today we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country and we have our own fundamental rights. Our freedom is priceless and our brave soldiers fight continuously on borders to protect our country. Friends, we all know that no nation is perfect. It needs to be made perfect. So it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Surely that day is not for when our country will be strong and powerful in every field. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Assalam.